Now, for example, we have verb cuisine, right? Cuisine is to cook, and cuisine, e, ague. English we have cook. In English we have cook,
Cook.
right? Why? Cook. And cooked. So that ague is your ed. Say Claire. That a sound, a sound is your ed. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Why? Is it clear to you? Now, for example, we have verb throughway. So tell me the participle of throughway is Trouve a sound.
AQ.
Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Why? Now, one thing we have to understand, very important, what is past tense in French? How to convert past tense in French? Claire. So, in order to convert past tense, we have a formula basically. Claire. Now, listen to me very carefully. In order to convert past tense, either I will take the help of our verb, yes, our present tense, our present tense, Claire. Either I will take the help of at present tense. Then, what is the formula of past tense? Repte après moi, avoir present tense plus participa से पेपे बोलते हैं participa से we call it पेपे से Claire पेपे okay our present tense plus pepe.
Participles.
Now, for example, mademoiselle, you have a verb cuisine, Claire, and you will say cooked. So you will make cuisine, e, and you can make e ague. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to
Yes.
you? Why? But this is just you have converted this verb in your participle passé. But if you say I cooked, you cooked, Claire. Why? So in that case, in order to make my past tense in French language, I have to use my our present tense. What is my our present tense?
Yeah.
J'ai cuisiné.
Share cuisine.
E AQ, A sound. If you will say you cooked, right? You will say tu as because we have to use our present tense. Why? Tu as cuisiné. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Why? Is it clear to you? Clear? Now, for example, if we have il a, because our verb is what? Il a. Okay. Cuisine. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Now, then we have,
Nous avons.
yes, nous avons cuisiné. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Vous avez cuisiné. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Clear? And ils, elles ont cuisiné. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Claire? So basically, if I ask to you, what is the formula of past tense? You will say either I have to use our present tense or at present tense plus participe passé. But now question arises. How I will come to know? I will apply our verb and I will apply at verb. Clear? Okay. Now I will explain to you. Vous comprenez? Clear हुआ आपको यहाँ तक?
Yes.
Now we have active family verb basically. You know we have 14 verbs which it belongs to active family verbs. Else rest of the verbs can be 1,000, 2,000 verbs or will only relate with our family. So it means if I will come to know who are else of the active family verb, I can make a differentiate. Say Claire, why? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Good Faith, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Tanya,
Yes, it is.
Summer?
Yes, sir.
देखो, now today I will explain to you what are the active family verb. From your born, from your born till death, whatever things you do with your movement, with your legs, these are my active family verb. Now, first, naître. Naître is my verb to born. This is my active family verb. So if I will explain to you entire thing, that's sort of it is just you have to understand the concept, please. Say Claire.
Okay.
Vous comprenez? Clear है यहाँ तक? Why? Is it clear to you? Why? Tanya? Tanya, is it clear to you?
Yes, it is clear. I did answer it.
Okay, all right. Nature now is to born. You rest in your house. Reste is to rest. This is my active family verb. The moment you fell down, it means you maybe you do some movement with your legs and you fell down. So tombe is to fell, is to fall, is to fell basically. Clear? Tombe to fell down.
Mhm.
So tombe when you fell down, so it means why you fell down, because maybe there's some movement with your legs and you fell down. Clear? So the things, because that's how you can understand the verb. Tombe is to fell down. Now you venir, rep kya après moi. Venir is my verb to come. So you are coming with your legs only. Claire, say Claire.
Clear.
Now we have verb ale is my verb to go. So all of these verbs, majorly verb wherein you have a movement with your legs, these are my active family verb. Rep kya après moi. Naître, naître
Naître.
is to rest. Tomber
Yes.
is to fell.
Venir.
Venir is to come. Aller
Aller.
is to go. Claire. Sortir. Répétez après moi. Sortir is to go out. Claire. Partir. Partir is to leave. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Partir is to leave. Naître, rester, tomber, venir, aller, because you are going out, you do with there's a movement in your legs. You leave, there's a movement in your legs. Say Claire. Retourner, revenir is to come back. When you come back, you use your legs, right? Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Now répétez après moi. Descendre. Descendre is to get down. To get down from the stairs. To get down. Now you get down again, there's a movement in your, there's leg movement. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? Tell me, Summer.
Yes, sir.
So I just want to explain to you what are the
Mm-hmm.
at family verb, how I will come to know, like I have to use at verb or our verb in terms of past tense. So these are the verbs. Say Claire. So we have monte. Monte is to climb up, to go up, to climb up, to go up, to climb up. Claire. So if you go up, you use your legs, right? Say Claire. Why? Claire. Raturne. Raturne is to return. Raturne. To turn back, to return. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Passe.
Yes, sir.
Passe is to pass. When you pass, so you use your leg. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Why? Then end of the day, what is your destiny? Your destiny is mourir, die. So from born till death, the things you are using, this movement in your legs, these are my at family verb. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why? Okay. Now I will come to know. Now, for example, you want to convert tombe verb. Claire. Now, tombe is what? My e-running verb.
Yes.
So, what is the pepe of tombe? Tell me.
Mm,
Pepe of tombe
yes,
is
sir.
what? E-agu?
Tommy.
E-agu? Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. E-a sound?
Yes.
Claire? If I will say in the past, in the past. So, what I
Yes.
will say? Je suis tombé. Say Claire. Je suis
Tommy.
tombé. Why je suis tombé? Because this is
Yes.
être family verb.
Oh,
Claire. Over here you have to use être family. Je suis, tu es, il, elle, est, and then over here you have a tombé. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you?
Wait.
Now, one thing you have to understand, one more thing. Now, for example, you will say je suis tombé. Claire. Why? And for example, if you are a girl, in case of only in case of at family verb, not in our family verb, mademoiselle. Only in case of at family verb, not in case of our family verb. If you're a girl, by default you have to insert e over here at the end because you are saying that a differentiate like ladka gira or a girl fell down hui. Je suis tombé. C'est clair. If you're a girl, if you're a boy, then no need to insert e at the end. Say Claire. This is a past activity. Say Claire. This is called as accorte. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Now, for example, you will say elle, elle tombe. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. Because
Yes.
now she's a girl, I have to insert e. Say la corte. Say Claire. Now, if you have a plural like nous sommes tombés, vous comprenez? Gurpreet and Tanya and Sharon, is it clear to you?
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
Nous sommes tombés, and if you are a plural, Claire, with plural you have to insert s. So with girl you have to insert e. With boy there is no need to insert anything, and with plural you have to insert s. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
But only in case of at family verb, not in case of our family verb. Now, for example, if you say il, elle, tombe. Claire, why? Say Claire. Now il is my plural. Claire, I have to insert s. With L is my female plural. I will insert es.
E.
Claire, tell me yes and no.
Okay.
Yes.
Say Claire, why? Is it clear to you?
Yes, it
I
is.
have a question.
Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes.
Now, can
I
you?
Mhm.
Mhm.
like when we say we fall down, nous sommes tombés. So in that, if we we are mentioning in the sentences about the feminine or masculine. So if we're talking about girls, so we mention es over there also.
Exactly, exactly,
Uh,
exactly. Why?
yeah.
Okay, right. So now you have to conjugate monte verb with passe composé, past tense. You have to conjugate passe verb. You have to conjugate the tourne verb because these are my year ending verb. Clash, because in French also we have a different participe passe. Like we have walk is walked, but see we have saw past participle. But the year ending verb, why I'm saying only you have to conjugate year ending verb because the participe passe is e agu. Say Claire. Why? Why? So you have to
Yes.
Mhm.
conjugate ale. The participe passe is e agu. Monte, retourne, say Claire, and passe. Say Claire, why? Conjugate please and send it back to me on the WhatsApp. Fatafat. Make it fast.
Which one, sir, exactly?
We summer.
Which one? Like all 14?
Ale, ale,
Mm-hmm.
monte, Claire, retourne, and passe. Okay, conjugate two verb. Ale and retourne.
Okay, yeah,
Claire,
good.
ale and
Mhm.
retourne. Conjugate two verbs. Say Claire, why?
Yeah,
Or you can conjugate four also. That will give you practice. It will be practice for you. Okay, conjugate four verbs. Ale, monte, retourne, and passe.
okay, sir.
So, all right. Then and summer. We have a how to pronounce this word.
Sorry.
Vous comprenez, Gurpreet and Tanya, the passé composé and Sharan? Why?
Yes.
Mm-mm. Tanya? Oh,
Yes.
I asked you to conjugate passé composé, past tense. You conjugate present tense. Why? Tanya?
Okay.
Now, for example, okay, I will explain to you. I will explain to you. Gurpreet, yes, you are right. Exactement. Exactement. Now, Tanya, you there?
Yes, yes.
See, we have a verb aller, Claire. So aller is my verb to go. Very good. Summer, c'est très bien. Aller is my verb to go. Claire, Tanya. So we are working for the past tense, right? So आपने जो conjugate करा है, that is the present tense. However, you have done a great job, but I'm asking for the past tense, right? So the past Pepe is A-L-L-E ague. Say Claire, Tanya. Vous comprenez? Tanya, vous comprenez?
Yes, yes.
Claire? And then, because Ale is my être family verb, so we have to use être présent. So, je suis allé. Say Claire. Why?
Okay.
Is it clear to you, Tanya? It is
Yes.
just you have to conjugate être present tense. Je suis, tu es, and ale you have to put it down. Say Claire. Now, for example, we have verb venir. Okay, so venir is my verb to come. If I ask to you conjugate venir present tense, conjugate venir past tense. Claire, why? Gurpreet and Tanya and Sharan. So
Yes.
first we'll convert
Yeah.
venir present tense. And these are the verb as I explained to you, some verbs wherein we do not have formula. No. We have ironic verb. I cannot use ir formula. We have a different ending which we have to understand the verb by heart. Répétez après moi. The present tense is je viens. Répétez après moi. Je viens. C'est clair. Tu viens. C'est clair. Why? This is my present tense. C'est clair. Tanya, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Je viens, tu viens, il, elle vient, c'est clair. Nous venons, c'est clair. Ouais, vous venez, c'est clair. And il, elle viennent. So, répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je viens, tu viens, il, elle vient, nous
LLB.
venons, vous venez, il, elle viennent. Now, Tanya, if I ask you, one year past tense. So, one year pepe is one you. That how we have to understand about my participasse. One year pepe is one you. Say Claire. In English also we already learned all these things like see, saw, seen, walk, walked, walked. We cannot say see, seed, seed. We know that is saw. The same one by one, slowly and gradually, you will come to know the pepe. So Vanir pepe is one you. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Gurpreet? Why?
Yes.
If I asked you conjugate, Tanya, mademoiselle, past tense. So Vanir belongs to my, because Vanir, we are using the leg movement, right? So the leg movement, this is my active family verb. Why? So what is the formula of past tense? Tell me. In case of if we have an être family verb, so être présent plus past
Plus.
clair. So क्या होगा तान्या? Je suis. Because that's the formula of past tense. Être present tense, if I will say past indefinite tense, I came. So I will say je suis venu. Être present tense and PP of the verb. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Okay.
Why? If I will say you came. Tu at the present tense, tu es venu. Say Claire. But if you are a girl and you're saying je suis venu, then you have to insert e at the end. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Okay. Yes.
Why?
Clear.
Claire? So that's a bit tricky, I understand, in a very initial stage, but yes, you have a recording of the session, you can do practice. Il, elle, a, one you, say Claire. With L, I have to insert E at the end because that's a girl. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Then we have, because it is just we have to take active present tense. Nous sommes, say Claire. Nous sommes, one you, say Claire. And we can say S or we can say ES for the girls. Say Claire. Why? Okay. Vous êtes, vous êtes, one you, say Claire. Say Claire. Why? Is it
Clear.
clear to you? Tell me Tanya and Gurpreet and Summer.
Clear.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
ils, elles sont, one you. If we have a female, we have
E.
ES because that's a plural, right?
Yes.
That con. We have ES. If we have a male, we can only insert S. Say Claire. Why? So we have one more verb, mademoiselle, which you have to conjugate. Devenir. Devenir. Devenir is a verb to become. This is also my être family verb. See, it is just venir. See, venir and venir. If you will insert the, it is it is happening as become, and simple one is to come. So conjugation would be same. What you will do? Je
The.
deviens, c'est clair. C'est clair. Tu deviens, c'est clair. Il, elle, it is just you have to insert de. C'est clair. Nous devenons, vous devenez, il, elle deviennent, c'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
And the Pepe of Davneer is Davnew. Vanyu, Davnew. Say Claire. Say Claire. Tanya.
Yes.
So conjugate Davneer verb with present and past and send it back to you on the WhatsApp. Conjugate Davneer, present and past. Farafat. Summer. Conjugate it.
Yes, sir. Mhm.
गुरप्रीत जो आप ट्यू ए आएगा ई एस ट्यू आ नहीं आएगा चू के
Okay.
साथ ई एस आएगा क्योंकि आ तो आवर के साथ आएगा क्लियर
Yes.
ई एस क्लियर
Yes.
वेरी गुड गुरप्रीत
I
पर आप डी ई ऐड करना भूल गए ना नू द
in last 3 years.
दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम वेरी गुड
It's okay.
vous comprenez why c'est très bien Tanya
Yes.
je suis हम इसमें ना पास्ट टेंस लगाएंगे दबन्यू क्लियर पेपे लगाएंगे ना पेपे वन्यू दबन्यू प्रेजेंट टेंस
It is
नहीं
with
लगाएंगे ना
our verb.
देखो आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू हम क्या कर रहे हैं हमने पास्ट क्रिएट करना है हमने पास्ट क्रिएट करना है क्लियर व्हाई सो पास्ट में अगर हम बोलेंगे यशवी दबिया पास्ट तो नहीं बना ये ओके रिपीट इट आउट देखो सबसे पहले वी हैव वनीर वनीर पेपे इज वन यू से क्लैर
Yes.
okay Now, Vanir Pepe is Vanyu. Claire? So, Davnir, that is Davnu. सेला पेपे पार्टिसिपाट से पास बनाएंगे ना. जैसे मान लो आप बोलते हो कि आई कम, आई केम,
Yes.
बिकम, बिकेम. तो बिकेम मेरा है दवन्यू. से क्लैर, व्हाई? व्हाई? इज इट क्लियर टू यू तान्या?
Yeah.
इट इज जस्ट, ये फॉर्मूला है कि मुझे डब्ल्यू को या तो मैं एटर फैमिली यूज करूंगा या मैं करूंगा आवर का प्रेजेंट टेंस. बट डब्ल्यू जो मेरी एटर फैमिली वर्ब है, तो आई विल से जस्ट वी. बिकेम क्या है? डब्ल्यू. से क्लियर, टेल मी यस एंड नो.
Yeah.
इज इट क्लियर टू यू? तान्या फिर बना के भेजो मेरे को दोबारा से दवनीर का ना. समर, दवनीर माय एटर फैमिली वर्ब आपने आवर से कॉन्जुगेट कर दिया है. क्लियर?
मतलब it is like different from 14 words or no?
This is the 14. This is in the 14 verbs. Davneer. Davneer जो है ये 14 verb, हमारी जो 14-15 verbs हैं, ये मेरी एटर फैमिली verb है Davneer. Clear? Davneer is my एटर फैमिली verb. Say clear. Why?
But like when its meaning is to become, there is nothing to use of legs or
ये
like
तो मैं खाली
whatever.
आपको एक्सप्लेन किया कि वो आपको चीजें याद हो जाएं. Say clear.
Okay.
Therefore, why? It's just I just tried myself. When you can, how you can learn in very initial. If I say ah le returne, you get confused. Say clear. Clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Conjugate Davneer verb, please. Summer and Tanya. I'm going to share a new link also. Clear? Okay. Meanwhile, you please send it back to me.